Here we are with Mia's kittens. As you can see, they are much bigger than they were when you first met them. Next week will be the week you all will be choosing your kittens. And again, it's 3 females and 1 male. 2 seal point females, 1 seal point male, and 1 lilac point female. Okay. Where'd they go? I will be sending out an email, which would be included in this email I'm sending, in regards to the appointment dates for next week. And with that being said, you can start seeing how you can choose your kitten. And you will know from then on which one will be, which kitten will be your specific kitten of choice. Okay everyone, until next time.